Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Greetings to our lecturer Dr. NORFAZLIRDA binti HAIRANI. Today our groups from group 11 want to present about the business model canvas Choco Warisan Sdn Bhd. So our group members consist by first is Muhammad FAIZ bin RAMLAN, second is Siti WAHIDA binti Muhammad SOPI, and the last one is FARHA HUSNA binti ZUKI. Next, this is a business model canvas for Choco Warisan Sdn Bhd. So our group have been provided the business model canvas. So without any wasting our time, we go first with the customer segment.
Customer segment. Our customer fall into three main categories, which is geographic, demographic, and psychographic. For geographic, we serve customer both offline through our physical kiosk and online via e-commerce platform and social media channel, which is Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. This dual approach helps us cater to a wide audience, from walk-in shopper to digital consumer. Second is demographic. Our products are designed for people aged 6 and above, appealing to both male and female, making our brand inclusive and versatile. Next is psychographic. We focus on student and chocolate lover, which is those who value high quality, unique chocolate product that stand out from the competition. By identifying this segment, we can effectively meet their needs and tailor our marketing strategies for maximum impact. Customer relationship. Building strong relationship is key to our growth, and we actively this through first, personalized service. We aim to create the unique and memorable experience for every customer, ensuring they feel value. Second is exclusive offer. To attract new customer and build your loyalty, we provide 10% discount voucher for the first 30 buyers. A simple gesture with a big impact. Next is sampling opportunities. We give free sample and trials to allow consumer to experience our quality firsthand, building trust and confidence in our brand. Lastly, feedback recognition. We actively listen to customer feedback, showing that their opportunity and opinion shape our product and service. The strategy ensure our customer feel connected to our brand, creating long-term loyalty. Channel. We connect with our customer through multiple convenient channels. First, physical store. Our kiosk and retail shop offer a hand-on experience, making it easy for customer to interact with us directly. Second is social media, like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and WhatsApp allow us to engage with our audience, run promotion, and build brand awareness. Third is e-commerce platform. With Shopee and Lazada, we bring our product to customer doorstep, ensuring easier of access and a smooth shopping experience. This multi-channel approach that whatever customer are, offline or online, we are there to serve them.
Today I will be presenting the value proposition of our business Choco Warisan Sdn Bhd. Our business stand out for delivering high quality choco jars with a variety of flavors. We understand that customers look for not just quality but also variety. So we have tailored our products to offer options that cater to different tastes and preference. The taste of our choco jar is unique and distinctly better than what many competitors offer. This is achieved through our commitment to using natural ingredients, ensuring both quality and health benefit for our customers. In addition, we prioritize our loyal customers by offering special discount. This not only reward their loyalty but also strengthens our relationship with them, encouraging repeat purchases and fostering a sense of belonging. Finally, we have made payment as convenient as possible by accepting modern payment method including Touch and Go, QR Pay, debit and credit cards. This eliminates barriers during transaction and ensure a seamless shopping experience for all customers. In summary, Choco Warisan Sdn Bhd provide quality, variety and convenience settings us apart in the competitive market.
Key activities. The core activities of Choco Warisan focus on delivery value to our customers. We prioritize the production of high-quality chocoja product, ensuring consistency in taste and quality. Effective management of stock and supply chains is critical to maintaining this standard. To keep our brand relevant, we engage in ongoing innovative marketing and promotional activities. These include campaign on social media and e-commerce platform. Moreover, customer service excellence is at the heart of what we do, ensuring that every customer has a great experience with us. Key resources. Our business relies on several key resources to operate efficiently. These include physical resources such as our store, vehicles for logistics and machinery for production. Human resources including skilled employees like our storekeeper, manager and other staff members play a vital role in day-to-day operation. We also depend on financial capital to manage expenses and branding efforts to maintain a strong market presence. Lastly, having the right tools such as advanced machinery ensuring that we can produce high-quality product that meet customer expectation. Next, key partners. Our key partners are essential to success of Choco Warisan Sdn Bhd. We collaborate with suppliers of raw materials both locally and internationally such as Pasaraya Pantai Timur and Econsave to ensure high-quality ingredients. We also build strategic alliance with sellers across Malaysia, including agents and stockists to expand our market reach. In addition, we work with digital marketing and advertising firms to boost our online presence. Partnership with humanitarian and charity organizations allow us to build goodwill while supporting the community. Cooperation with educational institutions and university campus help us target young demographic effectively. Lastly, we rely on logistic providers like JNT and DHL to ensure smooth shipping and delivery operation.
Now I will be explaining the cost structure of our business, Choco Warisan Sdn Bhd. The cost structure of our business is divided into fixed costs and variable costs. Starting with the fixed costs, these are the expenses that remain constant regardless of production level. They include machinery, which involve the one-time purchases of equipment needed for production. Business license (SSM), ensuring our business is legally registered and compliant. Business loan, which covers repayments for the initial financing of the business. On the other hand, we have variable costs which fluctuate based on production and sales activities. These include wages paid in employees for their contribution to operation, utilities such as electricity, water and internet which support our production and administration, advertisement costs which are essential for promoting our brand and attracting customers, distribution covering the delivery of product to customer or retailers, raw material which directly impact the production of our chocojas and vary depending on demand. By carefully managing these fixed and variable costs, Choco Warisan Sdn Bhd ensures smooth operation while maintaining financial stability and profitability. Finally, I will be presenting the revenue stream of our business, Choco Warisan Sdn Bhd. Our business generates income through multiple channels, ensuring consistent and diversified revenue. First, we have revenue from daily, weekly, and monthly sales. This come from direct sales of our Choco Jars to customer, either in person or online, and are in primary source of income. Second, we benefit from continuous income through online platform and application such as Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp. This digital presence allows us to reach a wider audience and enables customers to place orders conveniently at any time. Third, we have a customer membership program which provide exclusive benefits members, encouraging loyalty and repeat purchases. Membership fees also contribute to our recurring revenue. Lastly, we earn a commission from suppliers which serve as an additional income stream. This commission is based on partnership and product agreements, adding to our overall profitability. By leveraging this diverse revenue stream, Choco Warisan Sdn Bhd ensure financial stability and a steady cash flow to support the business growth and sustainability. That's all from our group. Thank you.